Yo, Earth Cuts done it again, y'all. Man, I think honestly these might be stepping up there to the top two or three most popular styles from our silver. I never know what's gonna pop, guys. I just come up with stuff that the vision that I see when I look at it. This the average person would have just saw as just a diamond cut grill with some polish done there. But when I looked at it, I was thinking earth and water, continents and water. The earth cuts, like I said, guys, in my previous video, represent everybody. This is not a neighborhood. This is not a gang. This is not to take a shot at anybody, because I love all y'all, man. But everybody out there of all walks of life. But this one right here represents us all. The planet Earth, y'all. Can't tell you how many people are placing orders on this specific set right here, the 6-on-6. I believe it's about 5 something on the website for top and bottom. It's got to come with the stamp on there now. All my clients have been tripping off this when they came. My client came yesterday. He was like, man, what's that right there? He's like, oh, that's the logo. Oh, and then he got pumped. But yeah, that's the Seattle Go Grills logo on all of our grills now, y'all. We stepping it up. Appreciate all you guys, man, that's out there, that's really rocking with us, that's supporting us, helping us continue to grow the business, telling your friends about us, coming to see us. There's nothing more important than a good referral coming from a client who's actually wearing the product. So I appreciate you guys. Y'all have a good, blessed week, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace out.